Penumbra is a mental health charity working across Scotland. We support about 1,800 people each week. We have some ageing servers, we have ageing software and finance.
Very heavily paper-based and a lot of travel, so a lot of coming back to the office, going to and fro, always having to go back to a fixed point.
So when we decided that we really needed a new system, we started looking around and we came across Optimum and we thought, that's what we need. We need someone to come in and actually help us scope what it is we need.
We needed help from a project management point of view because we didn't have project management experience in-house.
I was really happy at the way Optimum came to Penumbra and actually said, we need to get to know you.
An awful lot of time was spent by Optimum going round our different services and speaking to a wide range of staff.
And I hadn't quite expected that, but actually I think that was key to the successful relationship that we built. And then they managed the tendering process for us, and they managed the interview process with those agencies. They have absolutely amazed me that we have stuck to the timetable that we agreed at the beginning, which I thought was a really ambitious timetable.
Just brilliant. They've just kept us on target, really friendly, kind of down to earth.
And the feedback we're getting even in the first few weeks of going live from some of our frontline workers, it's absolutely brilliant.
They can leave work at work, that they are much more able to work on the go with the person that they're supporting. I genuinely believe that it will impact on our staff sickness. I think that will go down.
They have helped us very successfully implement a very big project.
I have spoken to other organisations who are kind of doing similar projects, and Optimum would always be the top of my recommendation.
Absolutely no problem in recommending them.